Bhavna, and today I'm discussing about the Visenze and AI and Briliance AI. Visenze AI is an AI company that develops the advanced visual search and image recognition tools, which are used to power the visual commerce on retail sites, mobile apps, and chatbots. Here is an overview of its functionality and features. Visual search allows the customers to search for products for using the images instead of the text. Image recognition can identify objects within images and recommend the similar products. Shoppable video enables the viewers to click on items in a video to buy them. Automated product tagging tag products in images automatically for easier organization and retrieval. In e-commerce, Visenze can be used to improve the shopping experiences by making it easier for customers to find the products they see and like in images or videos. Increase conversion rates by reducing the search time and providing the accurate product recommendations. Streamline the catalog management with automated tagging and categorization of products. By using the Visenze AI, e-commerce platforms can offer a more engaging, intuitive, and seamless shopping experience, potentially leading to higher sales and customer satisfaction. Briliance AI. Briliance is an e-commerce personalization platform designed to enhance the online shopping experience by providing true personalization throughout the customer journey. Here are its key functionalities and features. Real-time personalization. AI-powered real-time personalization to predict next purchases and trigger offers across various channels, fully integrated with the tech stack. AI-driven recommendations. Generate sales by providing AI-driven product recommendations across the web and email with automated optimization and business rule customization. Cart abandonment reduction. Sends the personalized cart and browse abandonment emails to reactivate the dormant customers and capture more email addresses from the anonymous shoppers. Social proof offers real-time social proof messaging to generate the urgency and build the trust without needing IT support. Customer segmentation creates precise customer segments to drive growth through repeat purchases, reduce churn, and increase the lifetime value. Easy integration features a 5-minute setup process for integration with the popular e-commerce platforms and email providers. Performance benefits aims to increase conversion rates, average order value, and improve the merchandising efficiency, supported by A/B testing and efforts to boost engagement and loyalty. No IT dependency. Simplifies implementation by use a system that captures data directly, thus eliminating the need for extensive IT support. For e-commerce success, Briliance can be used to create the personalized and engaging shopping experiences, which can help in converting the browsers into buyers and increasing both sales and customers' loyalty. Its ability to integrate seamlessly with the existing e-commerce platforms that email systems make it a versatile tool for enhancing the online retail performance. Thanks for watching and the support. Kindly share our channel and videos, like and subscribe our channel.